Here's how you access and update your coach's profile in DragonFly. On your Today page, select the Fill Out Forms button, and this will open your profile. Then select the Needs Update button, and this will open a section for basic contact information. Be sure to put your phone number in here so that you can fully utilize DragonFly's messaging tools. Click Done when you're finished, and it brings you back to your profile. Next, check for your team or sport and make sure it's correct. This coach is not connected to his team, so I'm going to click the Add Change Sports button and add my team. The athletic director or another administrator will need to approve this request. Finally, click the Get Started button to see any requirements your school has set up for you as a coach. This is everything you'll need to complete. For example, this Principles of Coaching course. Once you've worked through these items, they'll appear green and your progress bar at the top will show that you're 100% complete.